Hey, what's up, guys? After my previous video, you may or may not see it, I went over how the SB1200 was sampled into, how they would pitch the vinyl, or pitch the speed of the vinyl, record it, and then lower the volume, or not the volume, they lower the pitch, and I just want to show you how you do that in Ableton. So what I have here is I have a piece of audio, disco thing. Right, so I have that, and what I want to do is I want to add a bit of vinyl-ishness and a bit of crackly noise. So this will emulate me recording from a vinyl record. I have quite a bit of crackle. I'll lower it a little bit, and this will kind of add to its vintageness. So we'll give it a play. And the tracking model. Right. Also, I want to add a bit of rumble around here, I believe, because that needle kind of rumbles a bit. There's a lot more bass on vinyl, I find. So I'll do that. Boom. You can hear it clicking. Then I'm going to... What was I going to do? Oh yeah, a bit of saturation to kind of emulate like a preamp or something, some sort of recording interface, which back then they weren't too pristine, and they were very easy to overload, and quite often needed to overload them. This will add a bit of color. So I have this. What I'm going to do is take that, export, to my desktop, just untitled for the sake of the video. Plop open Maschine. There are children screaming outside. I'm actually going to turn that off so you don't crackle anymore. Open up Maschine again, take this, drop it in. Right. Oh, what I didn't do, I didn't pitch it up, it did that automatically. So I'll pitch it up slightly, repitch. Turn that back on, I apologize. You need to be pitched up more. So I'm taking a 33 and I'm kind of emulating a 35 or a 45. Sounds about right. Very crackly. So new set. Forgive me. Export audio and video, or just audio, I should say. Replace it. Yes. Thank you very much. Mute. Open up Maschine, drag it in here, take a listen. So it's pitched up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to mod. I'm going to go to sampling. I'm going to slice and mode detect. That is my favorite. And there. So I'll do that, and then I'll apply. Boom, boom. It's a really super fun thing to do. So I'm going to take these and tune them down a little bit to kind of where they were. Oh, first, I'm going to turn these all to SB1200. Oh, I guess it's all SB1200. That's cool. Then you just lower the pitch, and you get that sound. some pretty cool ideas, actually. You can also play it. It's, you know, it's not too good, but you get some neat sounds. And what it does with SB1200 emulation is it emulates with the vinyl plugin and the rumble and the bit of the saturation. It all adds to kind of an old school sound. And yeah, that's how I would get an old school sound, and hopefully this can be used for everybody, and I hope it's a neat little trick I just taught you. Okay, take care.